much a full day. I have to get ready to get out of here to go to another class for New York Seat program, business writing class, but then also my new screen printing press is coming today, so actually hired some people via TaskRabbit to help get that 500-pound monster in the house. And then also the conveyor dryer is supposed to be coming. That's UPS. I can handle that. I need to go to Harbor Freight Tools and get a stand for the conveyor dryer, and then that might be it. But you know, it's going to be pretty action-packed, so I'm definitely going to record as much of it as I can. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to take you down into the basement because it should look totally different. So I kind of want to get some before footage of the basement, and you guys can kind of see what I have now, what the setup is now, and then I guess I'll record kind of the progress of it. I'm not, you know, this is an HDTV, so I'm not going to do a big reveal. You know, you'll see as I move stuff around. I'm still not sure exactly where I'm going to move stuff, but I got some garbage bags out today, so clearing up some space, and let's go down and check it out. So what's going to happen, I don't know if you can see me. So what's going to happen is, not only do I have the delivery coming today with the press and the conveyor dryer, but then have an electrician come in to put plugs down here, because if you saw when I was panning around, there's literally the only plugs that I have down here are for the washer and dryer. So I have a whole bunch of extension cords going into that one set of plugs and that one breaker. Delivery is here. Crate is humongous. I'm gonna have to, well, luckily I got TaskRabbit coming, but it's a big old crate.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Fleslet on the beat.
Today, and now we have lights. And actually you can see what a mess it is, but I'm so happy to have lights, and there is a nor'easter going on outside, but there are lights down here now. I'm gonna finish putting this bad boy together. This is the Vastex V2000HD. I had to wrap it back up because they actually had all the heads down and made it harder, so I unwrapped it, rewrapped it. Actually, you saw that in the video. And then yesterday, what you didn't see was the D100. The D100 came in this box, and this box, and then these are the other boxes from the press. So I am going to unwrap. I want to finish the V2000 first. And I may put together, oh, and I also bought a stand. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Pick, back again. It's a cold and snowy day outside. Anyway, I wanted to come back and give you guys just an update on the progress in the basement. In progress, work in process, but kind of, here's the big reveal. Here you go. Bam! Now I don't know if it's side by side or picture in picture of what it looked like before. I'm sure I took a video with it, and you know, stuff is still kind of out of place. But so I have the V2000 in this corner when not in use, and then when it's in use, I just pull it out in the center of the floor and do what I gotta do. So I bought these casters. So I bought this stand. Bought this stand from Harbor Freight Tools, and it was like $40. Holds 500 pounds. But I want everything on wheels because obviously it's not really a ton of space down here. Still in the house. Didn't want to totally take over the full basement, which I'm pretty much doing piece by piece. But I bought this stand, the Vastex stand. I think it's like $200, $299 or something like that. So I bought this stand because it holds 500 pounds. And then I bought these casters, supposed to be rated at 90 pounds. But when I put the casters on the stand was buckling. Basically, the area where the casters was buckling under the weight. So I pretty much had to take it off. And I ordered this. It's like a dolly type thing. Space Care. It's rated to hold about 400 pounds. So I got that today, put that together today, and I put this on top of it, and now I can move this around wherever I need it to go and out of the way. I'll put a link to this. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's see if I can do one of those pan shots. Ah, I'm gone. Yeah, make sure you hit the like. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more. If you have any questions, any comments about any of the equipment I have, any specific questions about any equipment I have, make sure you let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you, and I'll put the link to that. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.